What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates from my videos, and let's get on to the video. So today I'm going to be covering on staking. So on Zoo Crypto World we're going to be staking, and I'm going to show you how to exchange, how to stake, and how to add liquidity and all that stuff about staking. Now up in front of me, I have Zoo Crypto World on CoinMarketCap. So yesterday I made a video about Zoo Crypto World and how that they weren't really certified, and it was more of an overview video. So I covered that they weren't audited by Certic, the one that also audited Mobox. So they're like a security type of platform. And so they were doing the audit for them, and now it seems like today they've been verified on Certic, and so now I could say that this could be actually a really good platform. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before getting into any crypto. So now let's get into staking. So in staking, you must have half the amount of money you're going to be using on one token and the other token if you're doing a pool with 2 tokens required. So I'm using 1 BNB, which is around $330 right now, and so I must have that half. So you're gonna go to the calculator and you're gonna have to half that. And so here you can swap with the Pancake V2, and you're gonna do BNB to Zoo if you're doing it like me. So here I'm just gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna put in 0.47 BNB. Now once that's done, you're gonna click the arrow down so it goes into Zoo, and normally you have to approve, but I'm not sure why I don't have to approve. So we're just gonna click swap, and so it's gonna ask you for gas fees and stuff like that. And so we're gonna do the gas fees right here, and then once gas fees is done, you must get a notification if it goes through or not. If it doesn't go through, you might have to make the gas price a little higher for yourself. Now that's done, we're gonna go to add liquidity, and so once we click add liquidity, we're gonna put our Zoo and BNB. So I'm gonna do max because that's the only amount I'm gonna be using. And so we're gonna click approve Zoo because we have to approve most things here. So we're gonna have to approve also the deposit after, and I'm not sure why I don't have to approve the BNB like it's supposed to do. And so once that is done, you're gonna be paying gas prices once more, and then we're gonna go to add liquidity, and then we're gonna be paying gas fees, and we'll be waiting until the transaction is done. And so once add liquidity has been done, you should see that it says balance right there on the pool that you've selected. So you're gonna press approve for the deposit button so you can get to staking. Now once you have clicked approve, you're gonna be paying gas fees, and you'll be waiting for the transaction to go through. And once that has been done, you're gonna click deposit. Once you have clicked deposit, you're gonna put the amount you want to deposit, and you'll be clicking deposit. You can see the deposit description shows the withdrawal fees. And so we'll be paying gas fees for the last time until we have gone through. You're gonna wait for the transaction, and once it goes through, you'll be good to go. Now here we've been done. So now you'll see in my stake that the amount of stuff you have staked is now showing there. And so after a bit of time, it will show that your rewards are coming in. And so that's it for the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. I'll see you guys later.